Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank of America. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by clicking open a web browser, and soon after you do that, go to the search area at the top and type in www.bankofamerica.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Bank of America, which looks like this. If you want to log into an existing account, you'll be able to see a login area displayed right in the main homepage. Enter your user ID in the first text box that is associated with your Bank of America account, and then head over to the next field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password if it is correct or not by clicking on this little eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. If you want the system to remember your user ID, click on Save User ID. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, leave it unchecked. In case you don't remember your ID or your password, click on Forgot ID/password link beneath the login button and follow the on-screen prompts so that you can look for your user ID or you can reset your forgotten password. Finally, after everything's done and everything's correct, click the login button and you'll be able to log into your Bank of America account right away. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.